Good morning, my beautiful people, from me and Xrsbeauty. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is AshaKosh. People call me Asha, some people call me Kosh, some people put together and call me AshaKosh, whatever you prefer. Before you get started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click the notification bell so you're notified every time your girl makes a post. With that said, let's get into the video.
Came through drift, came through drift, diamonds on my wrist, they drift.
Give me a little something to remember. Tryna make love in the sprinter. Bitches drop a nigga like Kimber. Looking like a right swipe on Tinder. Shit on these hoes. Let up my wrist on these
I
hoes.
just woke up. I went to a party last night, so I still have my party outfit on. It was one of those nights. I didn't get home until like 3, but I'm about to, take off my makeup, take a shower. But before all of that, I had to do my homework because, if you guys know, I'm in college. I'm online school, and all my stuff is due tomorrow. But I'd rather have all my stuff done today before like my event, so I don't have to think about it. I don't have to stress about it. So that's what I'm doing now. My mom stopped at Starbucks and got me a coffee. Love that. You guys comment down below what's your favorite Starbucks drink. Right now, mine is the Caramel Ribbon Crunch. This one goes stupid. But anyways, I'm about to finish my homework. And then I'll get back to you guys later, alright? Alrighty, you guys, I just finished my homework. So I'm a free girl. I'm free to have fun. I'm free to do anything I want to do. I'm not locked up. They can't let me out. No, they can't let me out. I'm free now. I can do whatever I want and not have to worry about any of my homework because I finished it all. I have 3 online classes and one class in school. I have 1 class in school. So most of my classes are online. And if you guys don't know, online classes, basically they demand a lot because you're not in class. But it's also cool because, you're not in class. But I am about to take a shower, about to take my makeup off, and then put my makeup back on. I need to go to the mall because I need to figure out what I want to wear. Because I don't know what I want to wear today. I know. What do you think I have something here that I should wear? I'm not trying to be fancy, but I want to look good. But the thing is, some of them I've already taken pictures in. That's my whole thing.
You gotta mix and match.
You're mix and match. That ain't me. So let me just take my shower and woosah and
You got on the side is 11.
Okay.
You got nail comb here 2. You got 4. You need to make sure you got things for the raffle.
We have to go to Hardy City to get the raffles.
Did you write stuff?
No, I need to go to Party City, get raffles, get tablecloths. That's really it. That's on the way into the mall. Alright, hold on. Sorry about that. Give me a second. Guys, so I just took my shower. I'm nice and clean, just washed my face. I feel good. I don't need to brush my teeth, put on my contacts, but I'll do all that when I do my makeup. But I feel good. I'm trying to de-stress because I'm kind of stressy. Gotta make sure I post on Instagram talking about it's the day. I just changed in some comfy clothes. This is the comfy clothes I'm gonna wear all day until the time of the event, so I don't mess up with the outfit I'm gonna wear. I looked through my clothes. I found an outfit that works. I haven't worn it. It hasn't been taken any pictures of, so it hit all my guidelines of outfits. So now I'm just gonna be. I'm trying to I need to fully de-stress. You guys, so we just got finished doing my hair. It looks really good. Got the braid back, but it's better than before. We're about to go head to Walmart, great, Dollar Tree, and get some supplies that we need to have for the event. So, and yeah, trying to stay as calm and zenful as possible. We'll be back, Bubba's. Can you pour him some food real quick? We gotta feed the Bubba's. We officially got everything we need for the pop-up shop. Fingers crossed, knock on wood. There's no wood. That's wood? But it's 2:38, which is really good timing. We're gonna stop and get some food because we're hungry and we can't, you know, do anything on an empty stomach. I just got some Walmart earrings because we just had no other place, you know, to go to get earrings. But yeah, I feel.
FYI, Walmart is stopping selling jewelry. If you ever just want to go grab something quick, don't go to Walmart.
Yeah, because they didn't even have anything. But luckily, they had these boxes of jewelry and they had these earrings and they look legit. Like, they look like they're sturdy, you know, type of thing. I'm about to try them on and see what they look like. When I get home, I gotta do my makeup. I think that's really it. Make sure everything's packed in the car. Make sure I get my stuff that I want to sell at my papa's shop. Make sure that, you know, I believe everybody's good. We just, I don't think, you know, I'm just running around making sure I have everything because, you know, I just don't want to be without. But I'm excited to have a good time, have people come, support, and, you know, have just a good time. Yeah, that's all I can hope for and pray for. So, yeah, I'll talk to you guys, I guess, when we get back home. You guys, let me just turn it down. Thank you. We are on the way to the pop-up shop. We got Sabby Wabby. Say hi. He said, I'm ready for the pop-up shop. I'm ready for the pop-up shop, mommy. Look at the people. Say hi to the people. Look, he's really looking at them. But yeah, we're on our way. I did my makeup. Got my outfit in the back. Got the tables in the back. Got my mama in the front. Got my little brother in the back. But he not coming. But yeah. How do you feel, Mom? What do you think about it? What's your thoughts of the pop-up shop? You think it's gonna be a success? Could be lit.
What's gonna happen there?
We're gonna have people. I have a lot of friends that have clothing lines, so they're gonna be out there showing, giving away outfits, selling them merchandise. We're gonna have drinks. We're gonna have people. My friend Bree, that's whitens teeth. She's gonna be there whitening people's teeth, giving out gems, doing gem and whitening treatments. So it's gonna be a fun time. It's gonna be a very nice social networking event, especially for people that, you know, have, you know, following and they want to get and introduce themselves to a bigger crowd of people and different people. Yeah, so it should be lit.
Can I get something free from there?
If you were coming, you could have, but you're not coming. So exactly, if y'all not coming,
the next one?
There might not be a next one in Atlanta. I have a big following in New York. A lot of people want me to do it in New York, so I might be going to New York next. Y'all just comment down your state and city, and I'll do a poll and figure out when my next one is. It's gonna be. I'm sorry, baby. You mad? Alrighty, you guys, so it is pop-up time. The vendors are here. I'm here. I'm dressed, okay? So you know it's on and popping. It's about 7 o'clock. People are still coming. People on Black people time, so that's why they ain't coming right now. They ain't here right now. But since they not here, it's perfect time for me to vlog and show you guys who's here.
Yes, what's up?
Tell everybody who you are.
I'm Khalil. I'm the owner of Sedena brand. As you can see, I got it on right now.
Okay.
Sedena, CIDE.
Oh, he got it on the chain. Okay. I didn't even peep that. Okay, so I'm going to show you what he got on here. All right, boom, boom, boom. A limited edition, exclusive drip, okay?
Go ahead and explain.
Yeah.
It's our Fuego tracksuit.
Fuego.
It's the fiery red.
Yes, sir.
And then we got the Nipsey blue.
Nipsey blue.
Exclusive, limited quality. So.
Yes. We got some drip over here as well. You want to tell them about it?
Yes. This is also our fiery red. Mm-hmm. These are very limited as well as our midnight blue. You gotta cop that.
Yes, you gotta cop that. And if y'all weren't here, you know, and y'all watching this on the vlog, I'm sorry you missed out, but you see we got the exclusive. Gonna go to the next room. Cause we got rooms. We got different rooms, boo-boo. Different rooms, different scenery. So in this room, we got the whitening. This is my vlog, so you know.
Hey guys, y'all know me. Remar Sweet Tooth. Nice seeing you again.
I can't stand you.
And you'll see me again after this.
Yeah, I'm here. I'm here all the time. So yeah,
Regular.
regular. So she getting her whitening. So that's what's going on in here in this room. Okay, you know, Bree, you gotta support Bree. Love Bree. See, Savvy YB, he here. And we got the drinks. We got the drinks. We got the drinks. Yes. Yeah. It's on my vlog. Alrighty. What's going on?
Y'all wore this, but the stomach situation. If this was just a little longer, I'll rock that all day. Just.
What are you talking about? I'm sorry.
I was saying he needs to like kind of market to older people also. Oh, all of you guys, not just him. So I'm just giving some tips on marketing.
Oh, sorry. So y'all, I'm vlogging right now. I am vlogging.
First time on the vlog.
Oh wait, this is yours first time on the vlog. Say hi. You wanna be on the vlog?
No.
I like this one too with the zip.
I'm trying to concentrate what she's talking about.
Hey,
We have a big
hey.
I'll take over the vlog.
Oh, go ahead. Talk to him.
Alright, vlog. Talk to y'all for real quick. I'm waiting on to be on this vlog. Y'all follow me, Mr. Cash Lady. Snake skin caps. Cash Lady details. Cash Lady details. Cash Lady details. So, yeah. No jewelry.
This my color. This and blue and black.
I got
Oh, if you need some drip, cashlady.com.
Did you show them your drip? You got
Yeah, I showed them all the drip.
You showed them all the drip? Oh, he doing my.
No, I can't show all the drip.
Ah, I got you. Some of the drip. See, you know my little bro got me. He know he doing. He should just start his vlog at this point. Okay, I'm peeking at the other one. Oh, they not done yet, but it's getting there. I'll show y'all later. But that's everybody's room except for the one. They're still getting set up. Cause you know people on black people time, so you know that's how it is. But people are coming still, so it's lit. Go Savvy! Y'all know it's supposed to be an hourly giveaway. It's 8. So, you know, we did one, but we're going to do another. And then we'll wait till like 9 to do our next giveaway. So this is for the brand. I'm not going to mention Sedina. Okay, Sedina. All right, I'm going to show y'all what we got. Okay? All right. You have a lot, right? If you don't fit this one, you got a lot. Okay? All right.
So I created Sedina from scratch. Basically, the CID stands for Created Indifference, and I just added the inner to make it flow, to be different. So like you said, there's a lot of stuff that's out there that said. Tor just basically stands for movement. Everything else that you see on my brand is just Sedina everywhere. Just means Created Different. It's basically based off of a luxury sportwear brand. So sportwear made luxury. So these are like luxury. I have other tracksuits in there that are more sport type versus jogger, but yeah.
You guys, again, how much are you selling your tracksuits today?
The sport tracksuits, the Nipsey blue ones and the fire red, those are only 40, and then the luxury tracksuits with the pants as well are 45. And then I have bags too that are only 20, and headbands for $5.
Alrighty, so can you shake that up for me? I'm so sorry.
Alright, let me get in it. Let me like dig in it.
Don't be digging too far.
I know, like,
I'm
I'm so
sorry.
upset.
Thank you.
Alright, everybody got their tickets? 5, 8, 1, 9, 3, 2.
You got XL?
I got a large in there. These extras want to be. We can try them.
But if not, you could pull it again. Okay. She getting the peaks.
Getting the pink.
She's had to get the
Little
nip. Okay. Okay. We lit it here. Okay. Reality, I got you guys. We got the Nipsey socks, okay? Ooh. Okay, we looking nice at the pop-up, okay? No, I couldn't leave without getting the light in it. I couldn't leave without this. I couldn't leave without this. The whole hot.
Because you know the vibe.
I know the vibe. Yo, what you talking about? I couldn't leave like this.
Yo, you know what's funny? When a nigga.
Oh, dude, okay. I hear you, Stat. What's up, my baby? I feel you.
That's my white man. That's my white man over there.
You want me over this fool? Shut up, bruh. But Dior, I met him actually in college. We was in class together. Actually, the first day in class, he came up to me and was like, "Oh, I think I know you." I think I do. Like, yeah, I see you.
I thank you.
And then we became like really good friends. And I appreciate your friendship, guys. Thank you for doing this. Don't make me cry. Stop that. No, I really do appreciate you so much. Jim Rue, get over here, Jim Rue. I know you on the phone.
Let me see your socks. Cashulated socks.
So Jim Rue, you guys don't know, he's an upcoming artist. His line is going crazy on the internet. He does a lot of girl designer wear.
I don't do no man stuff.
He just hang out with his what do we call stat, the jogging suit?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Sweatpants.
They sold out yesterday, right?
Yeah. They sold out the first night I dropped.
Okay, we selling out over here. All right, we got our friend Jamal with the alternate AR. I'm gonna say AR.
You gotta keep it simple.
Actuality and
reality, okay? I appreciate you, thank you. I met Jamal actually in Miami, right? Wasn't bad. We were in Miami, and then he asked me to do a shoot with him, so you know you gotta appreciate the love. Who else is it?
Bree.
Bree, come over here. Bree, come over here.
Or Sedina, if she busy. Oh, here she goes. Oh, shit.
Wait, hold on. Bree, you know you gotta show love to people that show love to you. So Bree, she DM'd me, was like, she wanna give me some diamonds and white. And I had to say, of course. And you know, you got me
I
ripped
start
out.
out real quick. I do the teeth whitening and gems for anybody who's interested.
Okay.
And our shop is like
It's literally down
right
the
there.
street.
Yeah, thanks.
So yeah, so I appreciate you. Thank you for coming.
Thank you.
Love you. Appreciate that. Sedina, he's in the chair, right? You done? Where you at? Well, I actually met him at a pop-up shop before. All of this, like maybe a year or two ago. And like, you know, I just vibe with him, and I appreciate his drip. I love his style, and I just love his like. Thank you so much for coming. I appreciate you coming here. I'm glad that you came. I hope you had a good time. I love your drip. I can't wait to take my pictures. I don't think you're gonna say I'm gonna be all dripped out. You know how to do it for the
Yes.
I'm so. I'm not the
National center, right?
The Marfit.
See?
You see Marfit over there, okay?
No, I'm happy to be here.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I appreciate you so much. Thank you for trying all the drinks, the mixed drinks. You know, you got me feeling good. Okay. That's all I need. So, we're good. I'm good, dude. Any parties, any events. Love that. Hit me up in the emails and I can You gotta check your emails. That's all that matters. You gotta check your emails. Have a good day. Thank you so much. Thank you everybody for coming. I appreciate you all individually. I hope you guys drive safe and have a blessed night. All the vendors and the brands and the people that came to my pop-up shop, I really appreciate you guys. I love you guys, and to the bottom of my heart, I really do appreciate you guys coming and supporting me. I love you guys, and I can't wait to do this again. So thank you guys for coming. I love you guys.
I have a great time with my life, and I want to share it. Greatness is not this wonderful, esoteric, elusive, God-like feature that only the special among us will ever taste. You know, it's something that truly exists in all of us.